My name is Clara Azulay, or I would say in Portuguese, Clara Azulay. I believe if it wasn't for my UC Berkeley Extension UX certificate, I would not have landed where I am right now. Intro to UX gave me the opportunity to build one of my favorite projects, which is TODS, which is a community for moms, which is very close to my heart since I'm a mom now, and there is a lot of juggling between working full-time, being a mom, and going back to advance your career, so going back to school. And Intro to UI was I learned so much in that class. I had an opportunity to work as a group, as a team with 5 other people, and we developed an application for people with dyslexia. So we knew we wanted to be involved with education. We knew we wanted something with accessibility. So it taught us so much. So I'm very thankful for these 2 projects. It opened huge doors for me, and I only can thank UC Berkeley Extension for all they've given to me, all that I've learned, all the networking that I've done there. The instructors are incredible, helpful. They're always willing to sit with you and go over your work. Even after I was done with school, I'm still in contact with many of them, and they're still very supportive and helpful, coming in and giving me feedback on my portfolio or presentation skills or anything really related to design, or even just looking for a new job and re-entering as a mom, for example, re-entering the workforce.